Stay informed, stay in control. The My Vehicle page gives you real-time insights and control for your vehicle. It is split into 3 tabs: Status, Controls, and Climate. Under the Status tab, you can monitor the vehicle's current condition through the odometer, the tire pressure monitor system, door and trunk status, service reminders and diagnostics, add service notes, manually log observations such as unusual noises or performance issues. Weekly Report is a dynamic performance tracker that records and updates travel data on a monthly basis. It provides key insights into your driving patterns, vehicle usage, and safety metrics such as total and average distance traveled, average and top speed, ADAS intervention counts, and cruise control usage. The Controls tab allows you to remotely manage essential vehicle functions directly from the app. Control lights, horn and windows, lock or unlock doors and tailgate, charge flap control, start or stop charging. Done with the day and need to set the perfect temperature before you even step into the car? The Climate tab gives you remote control over your vehicle's interior, so it's just right when you arrive. You can set the cabin temperature, adjust the climate duration, activate the defogger. Whether it's beating the heat or clearing the mist, Climate Control ensures your EV is always prepped for comfort.